When you want to grow and scale an online business, especially one that depends on funnels, marketing campaigns, lead management, and automation, choosing the right platform is a big decision. Two of the most talked about tools in this space are ClickFunnels and GoHighLevel. Both help you to capture leads and drive the sales, but they are designed with very different goals in mind. In today's video, we will compare ClickFunnels and GoHighLevel and help you to decide which platform is better if your goal is scaling your business. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you make smart tool choices without any confusion. Today, we are comparing ClickFunnels and GoHighLevel, two powerful platforms that business use to grow. If you want to explore either of these tools or find special offers, check the link from description below. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description. Because by using that link, any available discount or offer will be applied automatically. And if you use the GoHighLevel link from description, then you can get 30 days free trial, not 14 days. And you will get the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses from GoHighLevel to get started. So without wasting more time, let's get back to the video. First of all, let's talk about the ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is famous for its funnel building capabilities, meaning it lets you design landing pages, sales pages, checkout pages, and conversion flows with drag and drop editor. It includes features like upsell, order bumps, downsells, and A/B split testing that help increase the conversions. For businesses that want to bring traffic into one clear sales path and maximize transaction, ClickFunnels does that very well. ClickFunnels is easy to start, especially if you are new to the funnels or marketing platforms. It gives you templates designed for the conversions, letting you launch campaigns quickly without needing a lot of technical skills. The platform also now includes basic CRM features, email automation tools, and even blogging options. But the core strength is always the sales funnel itself. Because sales funnels is so focused on funnels, users often need additional tools to handle things like advanced email marketing, CRM, SMS marketing, or client pipelines. That means many people end up using other apps alongside ClickFunnels if they want a full marketing system. So now let's talk about the GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is more than a funnel builder. It's built as a complete marketing and sales platform. It gives you CRM, lead management, pipeline tracking, email and SMS automation, calendars and bookings, contact segmentation, and workflow automation all in one place. This means you can run your entire customer journey. From first contact to follow-ups without switching between tools. One of the GoHighLevel's standout feature is its CRM and automation system. Unlike ClickFunnels, GoHighLevel lets you build complex workflows where leads can be automatically followed up by email, text messages, voice drops, or tasks assigned to the team members. It also lets you manage pipelines visually and see where customers are in your sales process, which is critical when you are scaling. Another big advantage of GoHighLevel is that it's especially strong for the agencies and service providers who manage multiple clients. You can set up unlimited sub-accounts, white label the platform with your own branding, and even resell it as your own software, turning it into an additional SaaS income stream. On the pricing side, both platforms start at a similar entry point. But the real difference shows up as you scale. ClickFunnels often requires additional integrations and add-ons for full marketing workflows, which increases your total cost. GoHighLevel integrates many of the tools natively. It means you may not need as many third-party apps to cover key marketing functions. In terms of ease of use, ClickFunnels usually win for beginner because it is simpler and more focused on one thing, building funnels. GoHighLevel has a steeper learning curve because it offers so more functionality, and you might need some time to master automations and CRM workflow. So who should choose what? If your business needs fast, high converting funnels, primarily focused on sales pages and checkout flows, and you prefer something you can learn quickly, ClickFunnels is a solid choice. It's especially useful for digital products, courses, launches, and direct sales funnels. But if you're focused on scaling your business long term, especially with the lead management system, automation, follow ups, pipelines, and client work, GoHighLevel often delivers more value. It gives you a complete ecosystem that replaces multiple tools, saving time and complexity as you grow. And many large businesses and agencies even use both of them. They use ClickFunnels for funnels and conversions, and they use GoHighLevel for CRM, automation, and client management. The right choice depends on your specific goals and how you plan to scale your business. I hope this comparison helped you to understand the key differences between ClickFunnels and GoHighLevel for scaling your business. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Easy Access Tech. Check the link from description for the GoHighLevel's 30 days free trial with live bootcamp access and some bonuses. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.